Assalamu alaikum, math detectives. Get ready to unlock the secrets of sibling numbers with mind boggling games from Math Mysteries. You just have to follow these steps with me. Here's the challenge. Firstly, you have to think a number of your brothers, the brothers you have. Then multiply the number of your brother with 2. Next, add 3 to the result. Now, multiply this number with 5. Then add number of your sister to the result. After that, subtract 20 from the total and lastly add 5 to the numbers. Now you have got two-digit number, and guess what? The first number represent the number of your brother and the second number represent the number of your sister. It's like a magic. Try it out with your family and friends and let us know how it goes. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe it. Until the next time, keep exploring.